Hey creative peeps, welcome to A Thing of Beauty. If you're new here, I'm Ashwati and I create content for creative people. This is the fourth video in my Procreate bite-sized tutorial series. If you missed the previous ones, I'll put the link for the playlist in the description. Do check it out. Today we are going to see the Procreate gallery and how I stay organized with my works. Let's open Procreate. This is the gallery view. All your Procreate works can be seen here. This is the current version of Procreate while recording this video. Over the top right, you have the Select to select multiple artworks, Import to import any file into Procreate, and Photo to import any picture from your iPad gallery. The plus sign is to create new canvas. Procreate comes with a variety of preset canvases, but you can create any custom canvas and it is very easy. More on that in my next video. Let's move on. You can pinch out to enlarge an artwork and pinch in to return back. Now Procreate lets you group your artworks to form stacks. It basically acts like a folder. As you can see, I have categorized my artworks based on themes. This is just my preference of organization. You can organize your artworks based on whatever you like. To see the names easily, I created an artwork just showing the names so that it can be easily seen in my gallery view. You can also name the stacks here, but I feel this looks more pretty. We will see more about creating custom canvases in the next video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when I upload the next session. If you have any comments, do drop them in the comments below, and until we see next time, see ya!